Welcome to Tech Tips with Jan. Today subject is end stop. And the end stops, as you see, they come in different shapes and sizes, depends on the weight of the door to be serviced. And they got two purposes. One, to limit the door movement from left to right, and also it has another feature what we have right now. It is extension prong. This is basically steel, spring steel, and it helps to retain the trolley which is coming in, going over, and is holding the trolley to prevent the movement if, for some cases, the track is not leveled. It has to be leveled, please remember. So this little retention feature is very important, and you got two screws right here to lock in the position in the track, and these screws, obviously this is for 250 kgs, 550 pounds, so you have to use some force to turn the screw because spring is very strong. And basically what we do, it's easier to show right here on little Junior 80. You just slide the track into the slide the end stop, you position whichever the door you want to in position. Then the first two screws, they are always locking. But first we just lock first screw, see the movement if you like it. Then lock the second screw, and then let's check the retention of the spring. Okay, it stays. So then we can lock the third screw a little bit, so it won't be loose, and stays in the same position. And your track is set. Then you have to use some force to move the door out of the end position.
Thank you for watching Tech Tips with Jan. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends. What other installation and tech tips would you like to see? Please let us know and comment below. Again, thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.